adjust the cabin pressure. Mats will drop from the compartments above your seat.
We're alive, bro. We made it. I cannot wait to lay down in bed. I'm fucking dead, bro. Get your shit together, Spirit. Y'all made me wait 3 hours, bro. I can't really complain too much because it was a cheap ass flight. Is that who I think it is? It is them. Oh, this could be an intro, low-key. The one and only. Yeah. Where are we going?
Disney World.
We're going to Disney World. We're going to Disney World.
Actually, where are we going? We're going to Seismique, which is a museum where you can take a bunch of pictures. Every room is designed differently.
Yeah.
This is switch. What that means?
Hey, stop recording me.
This is exactly all we did. We were there.
Introduce yourself.
What's going on? It's me, Don, aka Just Bar.
There you go.
Content creator, streamer, cosplayer.
Hi, I'm Sage. I'm a cozy content creator, lifestyle vlogger, and hi.
This is what Horizon's black hole look like. Babe. You look so cute. This place is cool as fuck. It's on record.
Isn't that cool?
Wow. DJ Panda Dawn?
San Francisco, can you hear me? Fuck it up. Fuck it up. Oh my god. Based on for real. You know what I'm saying? Oh my god. Is that sweet safe?
Ooh.
Yeah.
Swinging the ball. I do want to go inside, low key. We have to climb through. Where am I going?
Just go for it.
We made it. How do you feel?
That was a workout. I felt like I was being murdered.
I'm like low-key sweating. I'm kind of scared to go down. I feel like this is where Eren Yeager came out.
Yeah, that's what I was saying in the room.
Thank you. Say less. Oh, it is a lanyard. we're getting out of here. It's been a fun trip. Probably, huh? Say hi. And the people here are cool. Everybody was super nice. All the food was fucking amazing. Hopefully, Bird doesn't get delayed. We'll see how that goes. It's gonna be comfy. I'm gonna pass the fuck out.